L-10.
Hi children, welcome back to your English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Asha. We were discussing our 10th chapter, Avani and the pea plant. In this lesson, we have discussed how a new pea plant grows in Avani's garden. Through this lesson, we understood that the importance of trees in our life. Trees gives us oxygen and we are getting so much useful things from trees. So, and we have discussed the new words and its meaning and the question answer. I hope you have completed the notes. And in the grammar session, we have discussed about verbs. What's another name of verb? Yes, action word. And what do you mean by verb? In the words, it shows an action. For example, running, jumping, writing, reading. All these are the examples of verbs. And one more thing we have discussed in the grammar topic, that is how to use verbs in simple present tense. How to use verbs in simple present tense. See children, we have completed so many worksheets regarding this topic. And we have discussed how to use verb in simple present tense. We need to add s or es with the singular pronouns. What do you mean by singular pronouns? For example, he, she and it, only one pronoun. With singular pronoun, we can add s or es with the word. For example, he sleeps, she rides, it runs, like that. And if the noun is a proper noun or a singular noun, in such cases, we can add s with the verb. If the noun is a proper noun or a singular noun, in such cases, we need to add s with the verb. And what about it with the plural noun? What are the plural nouns? Yes, we, they and I, that we can consider it as plural nouns. With plural nouns, we do not add s or es with the verb. We can use only the verb itself. For example, they run, we jump, like that. Okay. So with plural nouns, we do not add s or es with the verb. Instead of that, we can use the verb itself. And in the vocabulary session, we have discussed about homophones. What do you mean by homophones? Yes, the words, they have similar pronunciation, but they have different meaning and different spelling. The words, they have same pronunciation, but they have different meaning and different spelling. Such words we can call homophones. For example, SEAC and SEEC. Both the words we pronounce in the same way, but they have different meaning and different spelling. And we have completed so many worksheets regarding this topic. We have completed listening and speaking session. Speaking session, we have discussed how to use the words I like and I don't like. In the speaking session, we have discussed how to use the words I like and I don't like. And one more thing, that is spelling, double letters. And another topic, that is writing. In the writing session, we have discussed how to describe a thing in 3 or 4 sentences. In the textbook, they are given the clues. Using that clues, we need to describe about that things in 3 or 4 sentences. About its color, about its size, and how to describe a thing. These properties we can describe a thing. Using the describing words, we can describe a thing. In the writing session, we have discussed how to describe a thing in 3 or 4 sentences. And life skills also we have discussed. So children, don't forget to complete your notes, and at the same time you should read the textbook, and once in a week you should write 2 or 3 pages from your cursive writing book. As per the internal assessment, there is a mark for your notebook completion, about your reading and how you present an activity, how you attend a review test, everything there will be mark for you. So children, every day you should read the textbook and complete your notes in time, and you should attend the review test paper, and at the same time you should present your activity, and if it is there is project, you should present that one in time. So everything there will be mark for you. So your teachers will register your mark about these criteria. So don't forget to read the text and completion of your notebook and attend the review test. And today let us discuss the workbook page number 19 and 20 from this chapter Avani and the pea plant. So children, you can take your workbook and take page number 90.
Avani and the pea plant. Exercise A. Complete the second sentence with the simple present tense of the verb in the first sentence. Here you can see in each sentence there are two sentences. So complete the second sentence with the simple present tense of the verb in the first sentence. So you can see the first example A. I sing loudly. She sings softly. In the first sentence, I sing loudly. Here the verb is sing. Here the noun is I. I is a plural pronoun. That's why we can use the verb itself. In the second sentence, she sings softly. Here, she is a singular pronoun. So, with singular pronoun, we can add s or es with the verb. So, here we can write she sings softly. And the next one B. I read a book at bedtime. He dash when he wakes up. The first sentence, I read a book at bedtime. Here I is a plural pronoun, that's why we use the verb itself. In the second sentence, he dash when he wakes up. Here he is a singular pronoun, that's why we add s with the verb read. So we can read the sentence like this. I read a book at bedtime. He reads when he wakes up. And the next one, I walk to school daily. They never dash to school. I walk to school daily. Here I is the plural pronoun. That's why we do not add s or es with the verb walk. So the sentence, I walk to school daily. And the second one, they never dash to school. Here the noun is they. They is a plural pronoun. That's why we do not add s or es with the verb walk. So the sentence, I walk to school daily. They never walk to school. And the next one, I swim on Sundays. You dash every day. I swim on Sundays. You dash every day. Here I is plural pronoun. That's why swim. I swim on Sundays. You dash every day. Here you is plural pronoun. So that's why we do not add s or es with the verb swim. So we can write the sentence like this. I swim on Sundays. You swim every day. And the next one, I speak to all my classmates. I speak to all my classmates. She dash only to her friends. She dash only to her friends. Here she is a singular pronoun. That's why we can add s with the verb speak. So the sentence like this. I speak to all my classmates. She speaks only to her friends. So I will repeat the sentences. A. I sing loudly. She sings softly. B. I read a book at bedtime. She reads when he wakes up. C. I walk to school daily. They never walk to school. D. I swim on Sundays. You swim every day. And E. I speak to all my classmates. She speaks only to her friends. Next one, find the pairs of words from the box that sound the same and write them in the two columns. That means homophones. Here they are given some words and we need to write the homophone pairs. Here the words are there, there, knot, not, week, week, their, there, waste, waste, pain, pain, pane, pain, weak, weak, waist, waist, not, not. Here they have already given one example. A. flower, flower and its homophone pair flor. And we can take the next one. knot, not, which is a pair of the word not. Yes, not, not. And third one, week, 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 which is a pair of the word week. Yes, W-E-A-K, week. And the next one, T-H-E-I-R, there, which is a pair of the word there. Yes, T-H-E-R-E, there. And the next one, W-A-S-T-E, waste, which is homophone pair of this word waste. Yes, W-A-I-S-T, waste. And the last one, P-A-I-N, pain, and its pair is P-A-N-E, pain. Next one, describe these things in a few sentences. Here they are given two things. The first one is sweater, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. In the bracket they are given the clues. First one, type of clothing. Second one, made of wool. Third one, wear in winter. Fourth one, keeps us warm. Fifth one, wear blue sweaters in school. So using these clues, we need to describe the thing sweater in a few sentences. The first sentence, a sweater is a type of clothing. Second one, it is made of wool. It is made of wool. Third one, we wear it in winter. We wear it in winter. Otherwise, we can tell we wear it in winter season. And fourth one, it keeps us warm. It keeps us warm. And the last sentence, we wear blue sweaters in school. We wear blue sweaters in school. So using the clues, we have completed the sentences. First one, a sweater is a type of clothing. Second one, it is made of wool. Third one, we wear it in winter season. Fourth one, it keeps us warm. And fifth one, we wear blue sweaters in school. Next one, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Here they are given the clues. First one, fruit. Second one, red, sweet and juicy. Third one, good for health. Fourth one, small seeds. And fifth one, used to make cakes and jam. I will repeat. The first clue, fruit. Second one, red, sweet and juicy. Third one, good for health. Fourth one, small seeds. And fifth one, used to make cakes and jam. So using these clues, we can write about the thing apple in a few sentences. So the first sentence, the apple is a fruit. The apple is a fruit. Second one, it is red, sweet and juicy. It is red, sweet and juicy. Third one, it is good for health. Third one, it is good for health. Fourth one, it has small seeds. It has small seeds. And fifth one, it is used to make cakes and jam. It is used to make cakes and jam. So I will repeat the sentences. First one, the apple is a fruit. Second one, it is red, sweet and juicy. Third one, it is good for health. Fourth one, it has small seeds. And fifth one, it is used to make cakes and jam.
So all of you should complete the workbook page number 19 and 20. First you do it by yourself. After that you can check it with the answer key. So don't forget to can meet with a new topic. Till then take care and read your textbook. Have a great day.